I was riding overnight, heading south from Carolina. Heard that long womp, some whistle blow. Got in trouble, had to roam. Left my gal and left my home. I heard that long womp, some whistle blow. Just a kid acting smart, I went and broke my daughter's heart. I guess I was too young to know. They took me off to Georgia, man, locked me